Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. We're back at the town Moor and I'm back at the bar, as you just saw, having a pint. So this will be our last night here at the town Moor because I'm going to Belgium on Sunday. Come along, let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Come on.
I can't say.
That's fine. Oh, there's a door. There we go. Oh, Ellie.
Reminds me of Beverly Olive.
Spooky. Keep going. Jeez Louise.
That's loud.
That was loud. Woo! That was loud. Woo! Ready for the next bit? Let's go! Let's go! That vibrated, it was that loud. It's okay, just get your hands on the bars.
It's not okay! It's just like a big long lorry of stuffing.
Get ready for it.
I can't see a thing.
Just forwards. Get ready. Say bye. Well, that scare house was pretty good. I enjoyed that one. Next.
Yeah. The majority of them ones don't.
Are you steady? Ready? Ah!
The spiders! Look out! Spiders!
Oh no! Somebody's lost their head. Indiana Jones? Or is it Indiana Bones? Oh, this one's broken. That should be spinning. Ah! Well, that was annoying because half the effects, as you saw, weren't working. Damn. In case you're wondering why it looks a little bit different tonight, I'm actually using my iPhone to film, not a normal proper camera. So I apologise if it sounds or looks a bit different. decided to go on the big wheel. Now this is apparently the biggest and tallest mobile big wheel in the UK. Yeah, enjoy the views. Uh-oh, we've stopped. And away we go again. Look that way, Ellie. It looks like we're rolling. Rolling.
We're at the peak. Look at the view. Very colourful.
And from this perspective, you can actually see, if you look out, I'm going to try and get it so you can see through the dirty window. Hey! You can see where the fair normally goes all the way along there. And you can see how it's being waterlogged and why we're not using that part this year. But it normally ends about here, and then you have the car park. Now, I'm not sure there's an issue, because we're being stuck at the top. Oh!
We're moving.
We're moving slightly. I nearly had to get out and climb down.
Right, back in a jiffy. Back!
Which are now going to be in the gondola in front of us in a second. They were screaming to get off and asking the attendants to stop. So I hope it doesn't stop in the next go around, because that wouldn't be fair. But yeah, they weren't happy. Let's see if we can see them.
Plenty of chops.
So there you have it. That is the Moor Hoppins 2024 done. Because I won't be coming back, because I'm going to Belgium on Sunday. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the little series of videos whilst being here. Sorry for the different video tonight, because like I say, I'm using my iPhone. I actually wasn't planning on filming tonight, but I'm a YouTuber. I thought, no, film everything. So anywho, see you on the next one.
And now it's time to do your job.
Boom!